In the meantime, the National Council on Reparation is pressing the government to urgently overhaul what is taught in schools about slavery. The call was made at the latest RJR News Forum. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
It's our responsibility to educate. The Center for Reparation Research has an education mandate to let people know exactly what's going on with regard to reparation.
And that's why the National Council on Reparation will be ramping up its education drive in coming weeks. Co-chair of the council, Professor Vereen Shepherd, says for the almost 10 years of research and advocacy, there has even been resistance from Jamaicans who seem to side with colonizers. Council member Stephen Golding links this to a flawed education curriculum.
For a long time, our education was being controlled by the very people who had enslaved and then colonized us. And so the narrative was their narrative. And that is what we are encountering with young people. So when Prof says we're using historical dates and events, it is also because we're trying to re-educate the population.
The council believes the only way to address the issue is to change what is being taught at all levels.
The Ministry of Education has a new grade 7 to 9 history syllabus. And the C6 history syllabus is to be reviewed shortly. And the CAPE, the more advanced one, has been reviewed. I was privileged to have been asked to be on that review panel, and we actually have a module on reparatory justice.
The program at teachers' colleges are also to be revised. In the meantime, the council says it will continue its independent campaign.
That's certainly where the National Council on Reparation has chosen to put a lot of focus in the past year and in this coming year. We have an upcoming youth conference on reparations. It's going to take place on May 25th, which is, African Liberation Day for those who know.
Herman Green, TVJ News.